Hi there. In this video, I'll show you how to create a dashboard in Google Sheets. I'll walk you through the process of building different types of charts and customizing them to your liking. So let's get started. In this example, I'll use a spreadsheet containing data from a marketing campaign. First, we'll build a line graph that shows the cost per lead over time. I'll pull the data from this tab called Daily. Click Insert and then Chart. I'll select Line Chart. Then I'll add the date column to the x-axis. Now I'll select the range of data I want to add to the series. It's time to customize the chart now. I'll select Chart and Axis Titles. First, I'll add a title, Cost per Lead. I can choose the font, align the text, change the font size and the text color. I'll also change the vertical axis title to Cost per Lead. If you click Series, you can also change line color, thickness, dash type, and so forth. I'll change the line color. So here's the line chart. Now I'll show you how to build a column chart that shows the number of leads generated in the campaign. Click Insert, then select Chart. I'll click Column Chart. Select a range of data for the x-axis. I'll select the date column. Now add the range of data you want to represent to the series. Under Chart and Axis Titles, I'll add a title, Leads. Here I'll change the font size, align the text, and choose a font color. Then I'll change the vertical axis title to Leads. By clicking Series, you can format the columns. I'll change the color to match the line chart. My column chart is ready. Let's build a pie chart now. This pie chart will show the number of leads by age group. I'm going to pull the data from this tab called Age. First, I'll insert a new chart. Then I'll select a pie chart. In this example, I'll choose a donut chart. Now I'll select the range. Then I'll add the label, which will be the age group, and the value, which will be the number of leads. I can customize the chart by adding an appropriate title. I'll call it Leads by Age Group. Now I'll choose different colors for the pie slices because I want to match them to the other charts. So here's my pie chart. We have already created a vertical bar chart, so we can build a horizontal bar chart now. I'll build a bar chart that shows the cost per lead by age group. First off, I'll insert a new chart and select Bar Chart. Now it's time to select the range. Then I'll add the y-axis, which will be the age group, and the series, which will be the cost per lead. I'll change the title to Cost per Lead by age group and format the text to match the other charts. Then I'll select Series to change the bar color. There you go. I have just created a bar chart. Now you can format the charts and customize the layout to design an eye-catching dashboard. That's how you can create a dashboard in Google Sheets. Check out our other videos, subscribe to our channel, or visit Sheetgo.com for more spreadsheet-based automation ideas. Thanks for watching, and give us a thumbs up if you liked the video.